Hello guys, today we are going to see a match between GM Magnus Carlsen and GM Hikaru Nakamura. In this position, white is playing with Magnus Carlsen and Hikaru Nakamura was black. Magnus Carlsen started the game with 1 e4. Hikaru responded with the Sicilian defense, and the game continues with knight f3 and d6. Magnus goes for the center back and the main line d4. He captures the pawn and Magnus jumps with his knight, and the game continues with knight to f6, and Magnus developed his own knight to c3, and Hikaru plays a6. He responded with h3. What is a not bad move, but that doesn't increase your position. Yeah, that helps you for castling, but the idea would be more good like bishop to g7, g5 or something, and Hikaru responded with 1 g6. The idea of developing the bishop and a kind of Indian knight system. And Magnus plays g3. What is a quite surprising moment, but Hikaru plays knight c6, developing his knight. Now the bishops has to develop. Magnus developed with e3, bishop to e3, and Hikaru responded with bishop g7. And this is a kind of Indian knight system after he castles. And Magnus goes for the bishop g2. Hikaru castles, Magnus castles. There's no imbalance. They are both in same side. They should place the short castles. And the game continues with 1 b3, knight takes knight, bishop takes bishop, queen takes bishop, and b6. Knight jumps on d5, and after bishop b7, Magnus plays c4, and Hikaru plays e5. Magnus retreat his queen back, and after that Hikaru plays b5. Magnus plays rook c1. Hikaru takes, Magnus takes with the rook. After bishop takes knight, pawn takes bishop, and pawn to h5, sorry, a5, and rook to c1, doubling up the rooks. Knight jumps in, pawn to a3. The evolution bar was quite surprised, and this is not stable in a position. Pawn to f5 and b4. Pawn takes pawn, pawn takes pawn. Knight goes back to d7. After he goes for rook c6, pawn to f4 was played by Hikaru. Magnus takes the pawn, he takes back, and rook queen to e6, rook to f7, and Magnus captures the free pawn. Hikaru goes for a counter play, but Magnus plays h1. What is a passive move? Hikaru goes for the aggressive, and Magnus does not take the free pawn because the rook in the f7, he is attacking, and after that the knight jumps on f6 for a for goes for the attack, and the queen e6, and kind of defending himself. And after king comes out, rook goes up, the and rook takes rook with a check. And Hikaru brings his king into the h6, and Magnus goes for the passive. He is just trying to defend his king. Hikaru takes the second file with his rook, but Magnus thinking something new. He plays rook e7, something surprising. You can't come in there because the pawn on there. You can come e2. And after the knight jumps, uh, Magnus takes the sacrifice. After he gives a check, the Magnus goes to g1 and Hikaru takes the pawn. He has to play h1, and after that this check and check and check and check. These games ends in a draw by triple repetition.